So today I'm going to be restocking my mini fridge right here. So here it is. Right now I'm just gonna be restocking it and adding some different things. So let's start. First we're gonna take I'm gonna put all the things out. So first we had this Snickers bar I'm gonna keep because I haven't drank out of it yet. Or ate out of it. So we're gonna keep this. And then we also have Takis. We're not have these either. Here, wait. Then I have goldfish. And I have crackers. And look how cool this is. So here's that. And then just like this. Boom. There's more parts that can go on the bottom. That's really cool though. Then I have a Dr. Pepper. Orange Burst. Fanta. And a 7-Up. So that's what there is. So now we're just going to take this out. We broke that. Like, look at this side, and then look at this side. Yeah, that's broken. I literally just got this for Christmas. Okay, I'll fix that. Like, right now. I got this right here, and the hairs will kill me. Okay, yeah. So first I'm gonna put these crackers in there because it's perfectly fine. And then goldfish because it's also perfectly fine, but let me just. Wait, it's not like anyone ate it or anything. They're really good. It's not great. Okay. Snickers bar, of course. Boom, bye. Sorry I had no time.